So this is a PS5. The customer, he said the console won't connect to the internet and won't connect wirelessly to the controller. Like the blue light and the controller is on, but it's not responding to the PS bar. Okay, let's try with the cable. Yeah, it won't connect, won't communicate. No, it doesn't work. Yeah, let's try another cable in case. No. Yeah, it doesn't work. So we did try a couple cables, it doesn't work. So the customer, he said he took it to another repair shop, and they find out the motherboard is bad, and they can't fix the board. The console's still clean. Let's take it. Yep, it's been opened before, of course. You can see the sticker. Yeah, could be the Bluetooth Wi-Fi card is bad. We'll check that. Yeah, the console is very clean. Alright, yeah, could be the Wi-Fi is bad. You can see it's been opened before. The antennas is connected good. So this is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip. So we check to see. We'll check these capacitors. 0.07. Zero point zero seven. Same thing here, 0.07. So we have this one, and this one. Let's check, look at this board. This is a donor board. We check the same capacitors. 0.08. 0.2. 0.9. 0.8. Is it the shirt here or the shirt somewhere? Okay, let's check the fuses. The fuse here is good. This one is good. Yeah, I'm looking for that 0.07. Because that time we don't have to take the chip if the shirt is somewhere else, like in the power line. Yeah, we can do some voltage injection. That will be better. So we set up the power supply about like 1.9 volt. And it's only take 10 milliamp. That's very low. This means it's no component is going to show any heat with that slow amp. Yeah, I don't see any heat. Nothing. Yeah, that's not enough. Yeah, even this one here is set up at 1 volt. Like, look how many amps is over there. 30 amps. But it doesn't show anything when I plug it. When I inject the voltage here. 0 amp. Nothing. Alright. So we check the capacitor where that's in this donor board. Okay, so this capacitor is connected to this one. That's like a power supply over here. DC to DC converter. So in our board, we have, yeah, kind of similar, a little bit different. You can see these chips here is not on the board. This chip here, there is a small one, like it's a different. I'm not sure if it's the same power supply, so let's check it. So let's see if this one connects to this power supply. .07. This means that's the ground. Should be the other side. No. So it's not connected to this one. There is another one here. So let me try to. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. So it's connected to this power supply. Okay. So I'm gonna remove this coil here, and we will see if the short in the chip, in the power chip, or the short in the Wi-Fi card. Alright, let's see where the short is gonna be. Okay, so is the short here? Yeah. So the short, it's not in the chip side. So it could be one of these capacitors. So we're gonna have to start taking all this. Yeah, we're gonna take all these capacitors till we find if it's the capacitor of the chip. Because I don't know that line, what's the power in it? Is it a 3-volt line, 5-volt line, or 1-volt line? We don't want to inject more than 1 volt if we are not sure. So we remove all the capacitors in this line, and do we still have a short? Yes, we do. So let's start removing the capacitors that we find a short before. So is this one here? This one here? Not this one. This one here, so I think one of this one. This one, so 4 capacitors. Yeah, let's take that 4 capacitors. So I move all the capacitor in that line, but still have a short. Yeah. Alright, so next I'm gonna remove the chip, and I will go from there. And yeah, let's start removing this chip. We can take the top cover and see if there is any bad capacitor inside it. Okay, 0.06 here, 0.1, maybe because the heat, the chip is still hot. This one okay. Okay. No. Yeah, this one test bed. This one okay. Okay. So this one. So in this case, I'm gonna remove the whole chip. Yes, we still have the shirt. What? Yeah, after a couple days being busy with the other stuff, I back to this board that has the controller doesn't want to connect, the Wi-Fi problem, Bluetooth, and other option that doesn't work right. So when I test it with this multimeter, .07, it show very low, right? And if we check this motherboard, that is 4 ports, .6. Yeah. I did check the board with the thermal camera. I didn't see anything obvious. I'm just gonna replace the Wi-Fi from the donor board to this board and see if that's gonna work. And before that, if I check, let's check with this multimeter because it's giving me a strange reading too. It can't be the multimeter because we test the other board. Look, this multimeter is a 0.5, the same capacitor with the diode mode. 0.1, 0.7 in this capacitor, and if we go to this multimeter, 0.5. .1. So already like restart the multimeter a couple times, and this is .5 or 0.3. So what's going on? Anyway, I'm gonna replace the Wi-Fi card from one board to another, then we go from there. Alright, that's the chip, and we are gonna use the preheat plate to reball it. We're gonna use the solder balls, this one, and I think is 0.6, it should be good. Alright, looks good. Alright, you can see the yep, the chip look like it's dropped. Okay, good. Yeah, we push it and we see the chip is back to the press. Alright, let's test it. Hopefully it works. Alright, the console turns on. This is the customer controller. Yeah, the controller wasn't connected, no by the wire, no by the wireless. So the console still turns on, powering on, show the display. Oh, it's still in the reset mode, and let's connect the cord. I think if it's all right. Moment of the truth. 1, 2, 3. It works, and it showed the Wi-Fi signal. It works. Okay, let's see what it's gonna say about that. Okay. Update system network. Okay. Update. Oh, it's not gonna update because we don't have the disk installed. Why is downloading? The update is downloading. So cancel, do it later. Because if we don't have the disk installed, the disk reader installed, is not going to finish the update. Yeah, it works. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again. Yeah, forgot to show you that even we disconnect the controller, yeah, it's still working. You can see the controller is disconnected. So it works. This is all for this video, and see you again.